If you hear my voice giving out a little bit, it is because I'm starting to get sick. But anyway, if you are new to my channel, I am a lifestyle unboxing, beauty, random stuff. I do a lot of like fun videos and unboxing videos and all that good stuff. But anyway, welcome if you're new, and if you're not new, welcome back. Just a quick aside, and then we'll get into Target Beauty Box here. I have a giveaway going on for my 500 subscriber giveaway, and that link I'll put above and I'll put it below. That is open until the end of this month, on the 31st of May 2019 till midnight Central Standard Time. And I have two big boxes of goodies, like gigantic boxes of goodies to give away. So if you are curious about it, take a look at that video. All the information on how to enter is in the description of that video, as well as at the end of the video if you're curious of what's in the boxes. All right, aside noted, let's get into this. This is the Target Beauty Box. I haven't done this one on my channel in a while because I have not been liking their boxes recently, which kills me because I love Target. I love Target, I love their beauty boxes, but over the last couple of months I felt like they were kind of just, I don't know, they weren't doing a very good job. It felt like a lot of repeats, a lot of just extremely hair heavy, and I love hair products, don't get me wrong, but it was getting really boring. And it was $7, which is not a lot of money, but I'm already on product overload, and I didn't feel like buying a bunch of $7 boxes if I wasn't going to use everything. Now, of note, guys, a ton of boxes have come in this week, so there will be tons of videos. I don't know if I'm going to do multiple videos this week. I will at least get out my minimum. You will notice that I did not video this weekend, and that's because I was enjoying the weekend. I took off for Mother's Day, and for my birthday I was off from both work, and I decided to not do any videos. I just wanted to spend time with family and enjoy those days because I share a birthday with my mom, and Mother's Day always falls around it, and so it's a very special time to me that I really like to hold close and have with family. So I hope everyone had a fantastic Mother's Day. Mine was relaxing. I got to sleep in. I had lunch with my family. It was nice and calm and peaceful and beautiful weather. So anyway, that's why I didn't do a video. I figured everybody else was busy doing stuff. So Target Beauty Box, like I said, is $7 a month. Most of the time you can get them online. Occasionally they have versions that are only in the store. They come out with anywhere from 1 to like 6 boxes a month. It just varies. And they usually come out about the first week, end of the first week of the month, so you have to pay attention and get them. They used to sell out pretty quickly. I feel like recently they have not been. In fact, the ones from last month are on sale for $5 a piece if you're interested in those. But when it's a really good box, it sells out pretty quickly. So just keep that in mind. My subscription addiction, I talk about this website all the time, usually post up when they go up. A lot of YouTubers will do that as well. So anyway, the box is really cute this month, and yeah, let's just get into it. So it's a pretty fancy box. They don't do a lot of extra wrapping, but for $7, what do you expect? And then they do a theme here. So this is Festival Beauty Headliners. This is all about the festival season. Okay, so Coachella happened last month, and then apparently there's some other ones coming up. I feel like festival season was last month, but whatever. But they're saying that this is inspired by festival beauty stuff. Okay, and so they always give you a coupon for $3 off that expires the next month. You can actually use this on the box. I'm kind of lazy and I kind of forget to do that, but you can. The only thing is that it expires usually right before those come out. But for example, oh, my little munchkin who's supposed to be asleep is coming in to say hi. Come on, Alice. I'm gonna let her stay, and then I'm gonna put her back to bed. It's like her bedtime right now. You wanna say hi to everybody?
Hi.
Okay. You gotta be real quiet though. I'm gonna do this video real quick, okay? So anyway, you can use this, for example, on the boxes that are on sale right now, the $5 boxes. So that's kind of cool. So you could get one of those boxes for $2. In that case, those might be worth it. So this box was a little bit different and more interesting to me, so that's why I decided to get it. They've been very hair care heavy, which, don't get me wrong, I love hair care, but I get kind of sick of the same things over and over again. So let's just get into this. What's up, baby?
I'm rubbing this on my face.
Oh, she's got a little...
It feels good.
Can I show him? This is what she has. Okay, so this is the first thing. This is the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray by SGX NYC. And my lighting is hopefully going to be better today. My last video, if you guys haven't had a chance, check it out. I'll put the link above. My video lighting was off because I'm still trying to figure out editing software and everything. This video I'm just going to straight up put up. But it was my FabFitFun add-on review. And my lighting, you couldn't see the products very well. But anyway, check that out because that sale is going to end. By the time this video goes up, it's going to be 1 day left. So if you guys have any questions on products that you're interested in, take a look. I have timestamps. There's a couple other really good people that do videos on this. Kate Koslov is another one. I'll try to put a link in her channel if you haven't checked her out as well. So anyway, this is the product. So this is supposed to be like a hairspray slash dry shampoo. That's what it says. Dry shampoo meets hairspray. That's an interesting concept. And this is the applicator. It does a really fine mist. It smells like a hairspray mixed shampoo. I just feel like this. It's going to get these little flyaways. Like I feel like I want to put dry shampoo in and then I want to hairspray later. I don't know how I feel about this product. I don't think it's working really well as either one. I'm going to give this a try and get back with you guys. I love dry shampoos. I use hairsprays. I'm not sure the mixture of the two makes a lot of sense. But yeah, you're supposed to keep it 8 to 10 inches from the hair, spray at the root, and massage in with fingertips. So I don't know why you'd want it to stick your hair, because days that I use dry shampoo, I'm generally putting my hair back in a ponytail, whatever. But this is supposed to be free of things like parabens, petroleum, yeah, baby, and all that good stuff.
Can we start uploading my videos?
We'll talk about that later, okay? All right, this is interesting. So I like Bliss. I think that's a great drugstore brand. This is the one here, Jelly Glow Peel, gentle, non-abrasive exfoliator with fruit enzymes. I'm always up for a good, gentle exfoliator. This is pretty full. I appreciate that they actually have it in a clear tube. And let's see, is it safety sealed or not? It is safety sealed, but I'm curious of what it's going to smell like here. What are you doing, baby?
I wanted to do something special.
Oh, it smells good.
I wanted to do something special at the end of the video.
Okay, so yeah, it just has... Okay, baby, that's really distracting. Can you not do that right now? It just smells really good and clean, kind of like a light fruit scent. So anyway, this is a decent sample. This is 30 mils or 1 fluid ounce. This will last me quite a while. Let's see if they say anything about this. When skin is damp, dot onto cheeks, forehead, and chin, and gently massage in circular motions to sweep away impurities. I do like to use these types of scrubs in the shower. It's like a quick way to do a quick exfoliant. All right, next product here is the Dove Dry Spray Go Fresh Cool Essential 48-hour antiperspirant. Okay, I haven't tried a spray antiperspirant since I was like a teenager. I just knocked the spray lid off of that. I use Secret. I'm not big into natural deodorants just because I don't like being sweaty at work, and I get sweaty at work. Ooh, baby powder. I think it's supposed to smell more like cucumber is what it's showing on the bottle, but okay, that's a little bit better. Okay, now that it's dissipated some of the powder, it actually doesn't smell half bad. Okay, I am curious. I will try this and get back with you guys. Yes, baby.
Can I look at the pads and I have something to say?
Can we wait? Can we wait? Can we wait?
I want to
Can you wait till the end of the video, honey? Please? Okay, this is the next thing here. This is, we're getting into summer here. Hawaiian Tropic Antioxidant Refresh Sunscreen Mist with green tea extract and SPF 30. So this is UVA and UVB. You guys know how much I love my sunscreens. Let's see. Oh, that smells like... It smells like what I expect Hawaiian Tropic to smell like. Coconut and sunscreen. It smells good. Yeah. Anyway, I will give that a try. I love that it's a mist. That's going to be great for putting it on the face. So that's a nice little sample.
Do you have anything other than those lip balm stuff that smells like peppermint and lip gloss?
Yeah, I do, but can we wait till the end of the video? Okay, guys, this is also kind of cool. I don't think we've had these in a box in a while. This is a nail polish. This is Sinful Colors Professional. I haven't heard of this brand. And it is a blue, which is totally summery and festival. So they did get that with the theme. And yeah, so I will play around with this, maybe on my toes. I feel like getting a little change of color. This is the next thing, which I don't really know what I'm going to do with these. I don't even know if these are supposed to have charms on all of these. Probably not. Okay. I guess not all of them are. So these are Sincerely Jewels Assorted Jewelry Hair Rings. So I don't know if all of these were supposed to have jewels on them, but it looks like probably not. Some of them had jewels. I'll have to go back and look at the photo. Not all of them have jewels on it. Some are just rings, but they're supposed to put them in your hair. I thought this was fun. This is something I would never buy, but I think would be totally cute in my daughter's hair for the summer. So that's interesting and kind of a...
some of my days of school.
Probably not school, baby. But that's kind of fun. So that's why I thought this would be great. It kind of reminds me of back in the late 90s, early 2000s when you'd put like all those little butterfly clips and stuff in the hair. If anyone did that, you remember doing that? So we used to do that. So it kind of reminds me of that.
And I put them in my hair.
She does now. Anyway. All right, last thing here is the Mask Bar Holographic Foil Peel Off Mask. And so I'll have to try this. I've not had great luck with this brand. What are you doing? But anyway, that is truly holographic.
If you don't like the blue,
okay, guys. Can I finish out the video and then you can tell them what you think? All right, guys. So this was a pretty good box. Very unique. So you've got the holographic mask, which I'm always for a mask. You've got this weird spray, but I'm intrigued by it. You've got, so that's 2 hair products, because you've also got this, which are different. And then you've got a facial exfoliant, a sunscreen, an antiperspirant, and a full-size nail polish. So I actually think this was a really great box. I hope they keep up with this trend. I would love to see a makeup box. I think they are overdue for a good makeup box. And if they did a makeup box, they could even up the price a little bit. And I think people would probably pay for it. But anyway, that is the box. Now, Alice, would you like to tell them what you want to tell them?
I kind of.
That's okay. It's not important. Have you guys, on an aside note, before I end this video and put this munchkin back to bed like she's supposed to, have you guys been watching?
I remember something that I want to say.
Okay, say it real quick.
And if you start subscribing to my video when my mom finally uploads it, then you better should.
Okay. Anyway, have you guys been watching all the drama on this weekend? That was another reason. I was just hooked on the drama of the beauty community, which I don't usually follow. Like, I am not a big person into drama. I just turned 37 this weekend, and I often find a lot of the beauty YouTubers, the young ones, are kind of, how do I say this nicely, annoying. Like, they're not really relevant to what I'm going through in my life with my family and children. And, you know, I don't always have time to do a cut crease, or like, beauty to me is about therapy and relaxing and playing with makeup and getting some free time from like the craziness of my life. And so the drama that comes with the beauty industry, I'm just really not that into, but I was particularly drawn into this one because I do watch caughte. Can you wait for me to finish? I particularly like watching caughte, and I have been. She's like one of the first YouTubers I started watching, and I think I connect well with her channel because I find that she tends to be unproblematic generally, and she is my age, and I just enjoy watching her videos. Like, they're very relaxing to me, and I feel like I get really good information out of them. So when I watched that video, it popped up right away. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, just Google it, you know, Google or go up in the search bar and just put in caughte versus James Charles, and you'll see it. But I watched that like the instant it came out because she's on my subscription feed, and my heart was broken for her. I honestly can't imagine being in her situation, and I think it's really like my like everything involved. It's just awful, and you know, watching the whole thing, I feel very like like I can't stop watching it. It's this big train wreck that keeps on happening, and I feel like it is. You know, I can see it from
the one that has the pretend car wreck.
No, baby, not that. But anyway, I feel like it has so many layers. There's so many, it's like peeling an onion. But there's so much to that drama that it's kind of hard to wrap my brain around at some points, but I feel for her. And then I almost don't think she was going to think that it was going to blow up as much as it was. I think she knew, but she didn't, you know, and I don't think any of us could have imagined it would blow up as much as it has. And I'm proud that she took a stance, because the only thing I'll say about this, and then I'll kind of let this video go, is if this had been a guy who had been trying to coerce young girls or girls into a situation and do kind of predatory behavior or any sort of sexual behavior like that, the internet would be up in arms. And I often feel like there's a double standard towards men in general. And so I think it was good that she pointed that out, because I don't think that's fair. Like, if that behavior is not okay to a woman, should not be okay towards another guy. So I do think that was important for her to bring it out. Beyond that, I'm gonna let that drop, but I definitely have been following it. And I think if you haven't, it is a rabbit hole you may not want to go down. But anyway, all right, guys, that is it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please enter in the giveaway.
Oh, and what about mine?
And if I ever decide to do a channel for her, which I probably won't, because I have this thing against children starting YouTube channels in general. I think kids should be kids. But anyway, guys, thanks. I will talk to you later. And you want to say bye, Alice, before we go to bed?
I have one more thing to say.
Okay, real quick.
And if you saw the point of the brush in the video, then tell us.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, guys. I'll see you later.